Hand synchronization is an extremely important part of every single guitar technique. But one technique where it's most important is sweep picking. So this is what sweeping should look like. Our fretting hand is pretty much acting normal as we would any other technique. We're just playing some arpeggios as normal. So we're fretting normally. So the main thing we want to focus on with this technique is our picking hand. And there's two things that we want to be thinking about. And the first thing is that we're making sure that our picking and fretting hand are in time with each other, that we have good hand synchronization. Hand synchronization is just when our picking and fretting hand are synchronized. So picking and fretting, or picking and fretting at the same time. So this is what bad hand synchronization would look like. So we have a kind of delay. So that's bad hand synchronization because we're out of time. Our hands are out of sync with each other. So good hand synchronization is what gets us clean. That's what I kind of focus on when I'm trying to practice to get clean. I focus on my hand synchronization because it makes sure that we're picking and fretting at the exact same time so that we sound clean. And the second thing we want to think about is that our hand, our palm, is following our pick. So we don't want to have an angle when we sweep. Really, I don't feel as comfortable with it doing this. So I don't keep my hand planted at one specific point. I move my hand in the direction with my pick, or of my pick. Okay? So my hand is following my pick because that helps with palm muting when we sweep. Because obviously, if there's no muting, then sweeping sounds like that, which is very messy and not nice to hear. So muting is very important with this technique, and a lot of that comes from our palm, or this kind of meaty bit of flesh where our thumb connects to. That's what I use. So if we just do this, where we have to pivot, instead of using this bit, we kind of have to use our whole palm here. We have to use our whole palm, and we kind of have to apply different pressures by rolling our palm across the strings. That doesn't feel very consistent for me, so that's why I like to use this kind of technique where I follow, because then I'm only using more like this kind of area of my palm, which feels very much more consistent for me when I'm playing. So that's why I follow. My picking.